So this last one, you know, I went on a long journey when I was 18. I hitchhiked around the world. And I kept looking for somebody who could tell me what this meant and what the rules were and how I was supposed to do it, and never found that guy. So I wrote down some stuff, and I called it the rules. The rules. Limitation is the price of existence. Winning is balanced by what is lost. There is no force without resistance. Time is a measure of distance crossed. Fairness isn't the same as beauty. Love is more than the lack of hate. Honor can't be reduced to duty. Life isn't measured by its rate. To know the dance, become a dancer. God is everywhere you look. I don't know is a very good answer. The truth can be found, but not in a book. What is real is not theoretical. The meaning of life isn't on a list. To question authority is not heretical. To kiss somebody, you must be kissed. The nature of self is in the other. Matter is energy in an orderly phase. The stars are everybody's mother. Things occur in many ways. The world is not contained by reason. Ignorance is the greatest lie. To everything there is a season. You'll never know until you try. Thank you.